Oh, very good, Martha. Thanks for asking. The students' diaries are for them to tell us about everything they do with their host family and also what they do during their school time. And in addition, they have different things like achievements they can do to really make the most of their time here, as well as they can draw a cartoon, they tell us a story, and they allow us to really know everything that the student is doing and how they feel about the campus.
Here you have the timetable on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And there is the first week and this is the second week. Here you have the rules. You can't take phones and you have to respect your classmates. Here you have the beach day. You have to do it. You have to bring to the beach. You have to bring hat, swimsuit, sunglasses, t-shirt, wristband, towel, sun cream, the water, diary, lunch and break. Here you have the vocabulary and media and beach and on the kitchen. Here you have to do all the days. You have to complete Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and again on Monday. You have to complete all the days. Here you have to do a comic, and you can draw. Here you have to do messages for your teacher or for your classmates. And here you have interviews. And here you have the teacher. If you do this, the teachers have to sign if you want to do it.
You're ready.
So what do we do with the cornflakes? We get a bunch of them, we crash. When I say your name, you bring me your paper cups and I fill them in, okay?
Okay.
All together, you two as well. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. No, over here.
To pick an item out of the box. Wait. Then what's going to happen is I'm going to be at the end. I want to see you fabulously walk, and then I am going to be the reporter. What is a reporter? Someone who interviews you. The best walk, you will get 10 points for your team. I want poses, people. Yes, I cannot. Fabulous. 12. Rainbow. What else?
Black pants.
Black shorts. A pink Floyd top. Good bang. Good. Work. Work it. Yes. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a strange and weird hat.
Yes.
Nike t-shirt.
Yep.
Strange trousers that are broken.
They're broken. Okay.
Fancy socks. I don't know.
Yep.
And these white shoes.
What are you wearing, girl?
A sunglasses.
Go! Perfect. Yes. What are you wearing?
A hat.
Yep.
A t-shirt. Shorts. Socks. And trainers.
Trainers. Fabulous.